Imagine, for a moment, that the life you have always dreamed of is not somewhere in the distant future, but is already present, waiting patiently for you to claim it. The secret that has eluded so many is that abundance is not something to be pursued like a shadow fleeing in the sunlight. It is a divine current flowing toward you, carrying all the prosperity, joy, and fulfillment you are willing to receive. Many spend their lives laboring under the illusion that struggle, effort, and relentless toil are the keys to wealth. Yet the universe operates under a law far more gentle, yet infinitely more powerful: the law of divine guidance. This law whispers to you in subtle ways, through intuition, quiet nudges, and a deep inner knowing that tells you which path is aligned with your highest good. When you begin to listen to this guidance, you will notice doors opening effortlessly, opportunities appearing where obstacles once stood, and a sense of harmony that permeates every corner of your life. There is a profound truth in understanding that your mind and heart are the instruments through which this abundance flows. When your thoughts are in harmony with the divine and your words declare certainty rather than doubt, the universe conspires to bring your desires to fruition. Every resistance, every negative expectation, every fear that lingers in your consciousness acts as a blockade, diverting the natural flow of prosperity. Yet, when you consciously release these limitations, when you choose faith over worry and hope over despair, the stream of abundance cannot help but pour through your life. Visualize, if you will, that you are standing at the center of a golden river, its waters shimmering with infinite possibility. You need not struggle to push yourself forward, nor strain against its current. Instead, you must allow yourself to float, to trust in the unseen hand guiding you, and to declare with unwavering confidence that the riches of life are already yours. This is not merely an idea to entertain. It is a principle that, when consistently applied, transforms the very fabric of existence. The divine does not demand hardship. It invites alignment. It does not ask for your suffering as payment for reward. It offers effortless fulfillment as a natural outcome of your inner resonance with truth. Therefore, the first step toward attracting abundance is not action alone, but the cultivation of an inner state of receptivity, a mind that expects good, a heart that opens without hesitation, and a spirit that declares, "I am worthy, I am guided, I am in harmony with the flow of prosperity." As you adopt this conscious awareness, you will begin to recognize the signs, the synchronicities, and the opportunities that previously went unnoticed. The law of divine guidance is not abstract. It is practical, real, and transformative. It asks only for your attention, your trust, and your willingness to step aside from doubt, allowing life's richness to chase you, rather than the other way around, for abundance, dear soul, is always moving toward those who are prepared to receive it. Now, imagine standing at the edge of a vast, unseen doorway, the threshold between the life you know and the life you are destined to live. Many pause here, uncertain, feeling the weight of past disappointments and the whispers of doubt that tell them abundance is a prize earned only through struggle. Yet, the divine truth is far more miraculous. Prosperity has been moving toward you all along, and it is only your resistance that slows its arrival. This is the moment where the power of non-resistance becomes paramount. To resist is to wrestle with a river, to fight against the current of life that seeks to carry you effortlessly toward your desires. Every time you cling to fear, worry, or the notion that you must earn through struggle what is already yours by divine right, you create friction, and friction obscures the path of least resistance. But when you release control, when you surrender the need to force outcomes, the river of abundance flows unhindered, carrying you through the most astonishing and unexpected opportunities. Consider the heart as a compass, finely attuned to divine intelligence. It does not require reasoning, calculation, or strategy. It simply points you toward what is right, toward the avenues where joy, wealth, and fulfillment converge. Following this inner guidance demands courage, for the signs are subtle, the whispers gentle, and the direction often counterintuitive. There may be moments when you feel nothing is happening, when patience seems to stretch endlessly and doubt creeps into your mind. Yet, it is precisely in these moments that the universe is quietly rearranging, aligning circumstances in your favor, preparing miracles that your limited perception cannot yet see. Understand this: the journey from struggle to effortless flow is not always visible to the eye, but it is unfolding with perfect precision. The obstacles you encounter are not punishments, but invitations to let go, to stop resisting, to align more fully with the divine current. The moment you declare aloud, with unshakable faith, "I am open, I am guided, I receive effortlessly," the blockade of resistance begins to dissolve. The abundance that seemed distant, the opportunities that seemed elusive, suddenly appear as though drawn by an invisible hand, because your inner declaration has synchronized with the law that governs prosperity. You are no longer chasing, you are receiving. And herein lies the suspense, the thrilling edge of transformation. Life will begin to present choices and pathways you never imagined, doors that open at the perfect time, people who arrive exactly when needed, and ideas that light up your mind with clarity and inspiration. It is in surrendering to this invisible orchestration that you experience the miracle of being effortlessly in the right place at the right time. This is the divine secret. Abundance is not a destination you struggle to reach. It is a force, a presence, a reality moving swiftly toward you, ready to fill your life in ways that exceed comprehension, yet requires only your willingness to align, trust, and declare. You are at the threshold, and all that stands between you and the life of ease and prosperity you seek is your readiness to step fully into this truth, to release control, and to embrace the flow that has been following you from the very beginning. Now, envision a life where every step you take resonates with certainty, where each moment carries the quiet assurance that abundance is not just possible, but inevitable. The greatest transformation occurs when you understand that the universe is not a distant observer, but an active participant in your prosperity, responding to the clarity of your intention and the faith of your heart. The declaration you make within yourself, the words you speak, and the mental images you nurture hold the power to shape reality. Every thought of limitation, every lingering doubt, diminishes the flow of blessings, whereas every affirmation of faith, every vivid vision of success, opens channels previously unseen. It is here, in the conscious cultivation of your inner world, that miracles are born. You are not merely dreaming, you are aligning with the divine blueprint of your life. The abundance that once seemed a distant hope begins to manifest tangibly. Opportunities arrive precisely when needed. Financial prosperity finds its way effortlessly to your hands. Relationships deepen with harmony, and a sense of peace envelops your days. What seems magical is simply the natural result of laws long in operation, unseen yet unwavering, responding to the coherence of your thoughts, words, and actions. There is an elegance to this process. It does not demand struggle, force, or suffering. The universe does not require that you exhaust yourself to prove your worthiness. Rather, it seeks your recognition, your alignment, your willingness to declare, without hesitation, that life's bounty is your divine inheritance. Each morning, as you awaken, you have the opportunity to reset your inner compass, to cast off yesterday's doubts, and to speak with absolute conviction. I am aligned, I am guided, I am open to receive the limitless abundance flowing toward me. With this conscious declaration, the world responds. The flow of prosperity does not merely trickle, it rushes, filling every crevice of life that has been prepared to receive it. You will notice how circumstances, once perplexing or seemingly insurmountable, now resolve with ease. Doors open that were previously invisible. People and resources arrive as if summoned by your clarity of purpose, and you realize that the universe's orchestration is always in favor of those who align with its rhythm. The suspense, the tension that once held you captive, dissolves in the light of understanding that abundance is not something to chase. it has been chasing you all along. You are merely stepping into the recognition of your own readiness, your own willingness to receive. In this awareness lies your power, your liberation, your true prosperity. The moment you embrace this truth, you release struggle, you release resistance, and you become the magnetic center to which all blessings naturally gravitate. Every act, thought, and word, when aligned with this divine law, multiplies in its effect, and your life becomes a testament to the effortless flow of abundance. The journey from striving to receiving, from doubt to certainty, is complete the instant you declare your faith and step fully into the understanding that the universe works tirelessly to bring you all that is yours. You are never alone, never overlooked, and never lacking. The wealth, joy, and fulfillment you seek are already in motion, moving toward you even now. Embrace it, trust it, and walk forward with the certainty that your life is about to transform in the most extraordinary ways. If you are benefiting from our topics, please subscribe, like, and turn on the bell notification so you can see our new videos early.